Hi, and welcome to your daily personal development routine. In this video, you will learn more about ADS or ADHD. Many people struggle with focus and productivity due to these conditions. But guess what? Using a timer can be a game changer. First, try the Pomodoro technique. Set a timer for 25 minutes and focus on a single task. When the time's up, take a 5-minute break. This helps your brain reset and increases overall productivity. Next, consider your environment. Choose a quiet space with minimal distractions. When the timer starts, make it your mini work zone where you can concentrate fully. As you progress, you might notice which time intervals work best for you. Experiment and adjust the timer settings to suit your pace and energy levels. Remember, this is all about finding your rhythm. Finally, celebrate your wins. Every completed session is a step towards better focus and productivity, so reward yourself for staying on track and keep pushing toward your goals.